Okay, so just a quick little silver pickups video here. Been waiting on these a little while because I had a pre-order on the brand new 2021 Type II American Silver Eagle. So there's been quite a few other videos out there already, but just give you another look at it here. I don't think I like the new one quite as much as the old one, but it's aight. They they did as good a job as they could, hopefully. And as others have pointed out, I really don't like how the wing is clipped. Could have done a better job on that. I also not a big fan of those two signatures. I guess it's the artist and the engraver. A little bit large, frankly. The signature, the monogram or the initials, it shouldn't have been quite so large. Especially having two, that's kind of unheard of. Because there's a lot of blank space on this coin, which is okay. I'm not attacking that. It's just they could have hid the signatures a little better. Also, some people have commented maybe they could have made it slightly more high relief. And I agree that that could have been nice. Also, the whole security feature there at the top is really a bit of a joke. They took out one of the reeds. I don't know. So that's what it is, and apparently they smoothed out this version. I guess it has less of the detail than on the previous ones, which that might have been more closely related to the original Adolf Weinman Walking Liberty. Because I've gone back and looked at some of these old half dollars. They usually look worn, but they're they might be pretty uncirculated. They didn't have a lot of detail originally on the flowing dress and whatnot. So I don't know. They made the date larger. Whatever. Is what it is. Maybe it'll grow on me, but I think I like this one a little bit better. The old, the tried, the true. This one's a bit dirty, a bit grubby. Pardon. E pluribus unum. They took out the stars too on the reverse. No more stars. All right, let's move on. Also got a bar here. This is super nice. And I guess I'm a fool, but I'm constantly amazed every time I order a silver bar. You get it in the mail, you're opening the box. I always think they're going to be larger than what they are. You think, oh, a 10-ounce bar, yeah, it'll be fairly chunky. Maybe it's the size of a chalkboard eraser or something. It was the same thing on a 100-ounce bar. I was thinking, in your mind, you're almost thinking it's like the size of a shoebox or something. And they're tiny. A 10-ounce bar, it's like the size of your thumb. I mean, it's crazy. Crazy how dense silver is, but this is a beautiful bar. I've got a few bars, but I gotta say, in terms of chunky little bars, this has got to be one of my favorites. Really, really well done. It's brushed. It's like a finely brushed matte. Beautiful, beautiful job they did. Heraeus, I don't know much about them. I think it was like Ager Heraeus or something like that. But, German company, I guess. You saw my serial number. But this might have to go into the permastack. Very, very sweet bar. It's got their little crust, perhaps. Heraeus Edel Metal. For some reason, I think Edel might be some kind of flower. Not sure. What else do we got? So this was all an order I got from Provident. Add some of these Napoleon Angels. Oh, no, let's open it up because there's just a few little odds and ends. Always nice to get a little diversity in your order. Let's take a look. And I ordered this quite a while ago. Just waiting on those eagles to come in. So it looks like I got four more of these angels. Pretty sweet coin though. Can't complain. And then threw in a couple Philharmonikers just to change it up a little. Hopefully they're not milk spotted. Let's take a look. And also just threw in this for ha-has. Now, silver was a little bit more expensive when I bought this about a month or two ago. But, so this, generic was a little cheaper than some of the other ones, slightly. This one appears to be Silvertown, no? Yeah, you can see the little pickaxe. They do an okay job. Not my favorite buffalo. I've always thought the mouth looked a little strange on these. What else? Oh, and then I got a little tube of, not a full tube, oh, it's got a sticker, a piece of tape, hold on. These were the cheapest they had on sale that particular day. Yeah, they're okay. They're not my favorite just because sometimes they have a little bit of milk spotting. Let's check them. Of course, you get the obligatory foam these days. And they've, I can see looking in here, they've rolled around completely sideways in the capsule, which is nice. But let's check it out. You all hear about Basel III, how the LBMA knocked it down already. Very, very honest people over there. Alright, let's see. So those were the Roos. They were the cheapest coin they had. Probably got about 10 or so of them. They look nice. They look really nice first glance. Not seeing any milk spotting, but sometimes it just takes a little bit to develop on it. This was the Philharmoniker. What do you guys call these? Philharmonic? Philharmoniker? It's a beautiful coin, actually. It is a very nice. I've come to appreciate the design. It is a very nice looking coin. I'm not seeing any milk spots through the camera here. Let's appreciate this. It says, come on. Yeah, poor lighting, it seems like. I wonder if it's this one. Try. No, keep that on. It says, a Wiener Philharmoniker Silber. I wish they'd add some kind of edge lettering, to be honest. They could have a really amazing coin. Put some Gothic script in there, like the old Deutschmarks. It's a little bit, I know they think it looks nice, but I feel like a proper coin, a proper dollar coin should have some kind of edge lettering or reading of some kind. And then here we have, come on, Republik, Österreich, ein und fein Silber, 2000, 21. My German's a bit rusty. 1.5 euro. Such a random denomination. This, I suppose, is the gate. I think it's the gate of the building for... that could be the Mint. I mean, it could be the Vienna Philharmoniker, which is their orchestra. But it looks like a gate. Pretty nice. Beautiful. I don't see any milk spots. I think I got two. Yeah, here's the other one. They look good. All of these coins are looking good. That's a good thing. Can't complain. This was a good order. Some good coinage. These look amazing. When they're good, they're good. When they're milk spotted, they're not quite as good. And it's funny because, Perth Mint, they really are known for their quality. If you're looking at, like, the Lunar series, those are always absolutely amazing. A lot of their other coins, they do a lot of the, like the Dragon and the Phoenix. They do the Olympic God series, the Pirate Nautical series, the Next Generation. They do private labels. All the other coins are always superb quality, but for some reason, the so-called Red Kangaroo, occasionally they do have milk spots, which is a shame. Because Perth Mint, they know how to prevent it. We know that much. But they don't always pay that attention. And supposedly it's the washing process with detergents. Seems pretty easily avoidable. Hell, I'd be fine if you don't wash the planchets at all. Who cares? Anyways, that's all of them. We looked at the generic, nice coin, round, and so hopefully precious metals keep going up, and maybe we'll get a golden bull run this summer, although all signs point to no. Hey, hold on. I can tell us definitively if we'll get a bull run. Wait one moment. Old school headset on. Alright, so will we get a bull run this year? Will we go to $50 in silver here in 2021? Are you ready for the answer? Just lift up the camera here. This is it, folks. Has our due diligence paid off? Well, I think you can all see that. So, looks like we lucked out. It's going to be a good year. Peace.